Let's check it out.
Over the course of a typical day, there's so much to listen to and enjoy. From calls with our friends to our favorite music and podcasts, we all tune into the things we care about. That's why we've built the Galaxy Buds 2 to deliver exceptional sound and all-around quality, so you can stay connected and hear every detail. The Buds 2 are designed to complement your personal style. They come in soft, natural colors that spice up every single look. And of course, you get a cool Buds case to match. On the outside, the case looks like any other, but inside, it's filled with one of our 4 beautiful color options to brighten up your day. We wear our earbuds all the time, so it's important they fit like a glove. Buds 2 deliver a super secure fit. They're the smallest and lightest buds we've ever made, so they'll stay comfortable and snug in your ear. From their cozy fit to their fantastic sound quality, Galaxy Buds 2 let you lose yourself in your favorite content. They use a 2-way speaker, a woofer for more powerful bass, and a tweeter for cleaner, high notes. The result? Balanced and mesmerizing sound. But sometimes, we all find ourselves in noisy environments. If you enjoy working in coffee shops as much as I do, you know exactly what I mean. To block out all that background noise, Galaxy Buds 2 come with best-in-class active noise cancelling. ANC cuts external background noise by up to 98%, so you can really hear what you're listening to. ANC is essential to an excellent listening experience, so we made sure you can enjoy a long-lasting battery on Buds 2, even with a smaller form factor. With ANC on, your battery will last up to 5 hours. With ANC off, your battery will last up to 7.5 hours. And your case will keep your Buds 2 working for up to 20 hours, so you won't have to interrupt your day to charge. The Galaxy Buds 2 will keep you immersed in your favorite sounds for hours. But what about when you want to tune into your surroundings? Like when you're listening to music? And the barista calls out your order. No problem. Here. With Buds 2, you can use ambient mode to choose from 3 levels of ambient sound. Buds 2 amplifies sound from the outside world more naturally, so you can get your coffee and chat with a barista. Thank you. All without taking out your earbuds. These buds help you listen to the world and communicate with your favorite people. That's why I'm super excited that Buds 2 deliver advanced call quality. With Buds 2, you can call a friend while you're in a noisy area, and your friend will still be able to hear your voice clearly. Here's how it works. 3 microphones and a voice pickup unit catch what you're saying on your call. Then, Buds 2 uses a machine learning-based solution to identify unwanted sounds, like traffic noise and background conversations, and filter out those sounds. Your earbuds' curved design also shields your mic and your call from wind, so you can enjoy every moment of your catch-up. Because we believe every moment should be effortless, we designed Buds 2 to work seamlessly in the Galaxy ecosystem. They connect easily with the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. And if you pair them with your Galaxy Watch, you can switch to ambient mode with just a tap in your Buds controller app. How cool is that? And with Auto Switch, moving between your smartphone, tablet, and watch is easier than ever. Say you're watching a show on your tablet when your phone rings. Your Buds 2 will automatically switch their connection to your phone, so you can take the call.
What's up?
And if you decide to go on a run without your phone and start a playlist on your watch, your earbuds will connect automatically. Enjoy your music and get in all your steps for the day. It's that simple. The Galaxy Buds 2 are built to immerse you in your world. From your favorite content to calls with your favorite people, Buds 2 will keep you connected to what you care about. Ready to get your own? Let's head back to Connor to tell you more.
Thanks, Leonie. Galaxy Buds 2 will be available for $149 on August 27th in select countries. With premium elements such as 2-way speakers, clear calls, and active noise cancelling, Galaxy Buds 2 let more consumers enjoy best-in-class sound quality than ever before. We're so excited about these new buds. They'll be the perfect addition to a Galaxy ecosystem. Everything we do is grounded in the idea that innovation should be open, delivering more options, more freedom, and more possibility. This is the Galaxy experience.